respectful and structured. Informal speaking occurs in casual. What are the different types and models of communication? Communication is the process of transmitting information, ideas, emotions, and thoughts from one person to another. The main types of communication are verbal, nonverbal, written, and visual communication. Verbal communication includes spoken words in conversations, speeches, and discussions. Written communication includes letters, emails, reports, and notices. Nonverbal communication involves gestures, facial expressions, posture, eye contact, and body language. Visual communication includes charts, graphs, signs, and symbols. Communication can also be formal or informal, depending on the situation. Important models explain how communication works. The linear model views communication as one way from sender to receiver. The interactive model introduces feedback as a response. The transactional model sees communication as a simultaneous two-way process. Shannon and Weaver's model includes sender, message, channel, receiver, feedback, and noise. Berlow's SMCR model emphasizes source, message, channel, and receiver. These models help us understand how messages are sent, received, and sometimes misunderstood. Discuss verbal and nonverbal communication. Verbal communication refers to the use of words to convey messages. It can be oral, such as conversations, lectures, and phone calls, or written, such as letters, emails, and reports. It is clear and structured when proper grammar and vocabulary are used. Tone and pronunciation play an important role in spoken communication. Nonverbal communication involves communication without words. It includes facial expressions, gestures, posture, eye contact, and body movements. Paralanguage, such as pitch, tone, and volume of voice, also form part of nonverbal communication. Nonverbal signals often express emotions more effectively than words. For example, a smile shows friendliness, while frowning indicates displeasure. Sometimes nonverbal cues may contradict verbal messages. Effective communication requires harmony between verbal and nonverbal elements. Understanding both types helps in avoiding misunderstandings and improving interpersonal relationships. What are the barriers to communication, and how can they be overcome? Barriers to communication are obstacles that hinder effective exchange of ideas. Physical barriers include noise, distance, poor infrastructure, and faulty technology. Psychological barriers arise from emotions such as anger, fear, stress, and prejudice. Language barriers occur due to differences in language, poor vocabulary, or unclear pronunciation. Cultural barriers result from differences in beliefs, customs, and social values. Semantic barriers arise when words are misunderstood. Organizational barriers may include rigid rules or unclear instructions. These barriers can lead to confusion and conflict. They can be overcome by using simple and clear language. Active listening and proper feedback reduce misunderstandings. Maintaining a positive attitude and empathy improves understanding. Avoiding assumptions and clarifying doubts are helpful strategies. Effective planning and mutual respect ensure smooth communication. Explain interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication refers to the exchange of information between two or more individuals. It usually takes place face-to-face, but can also occur through digital platforms. It involves both verbal and nonverbal elements. This type of communication helps in building relationships and mutual understanding. Skills such as active listening, empathy, and feedback are essential. It can be formal, like interviews and meetings, or informal, like friendly conversations. Effective interpersonal communication builds trust and cooperation. It improves teamwork and problem-solving abilities. Poor interpersonal communication may lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. Emotional intelligence plays an important role in interpersonal communication. Respect, clarity, and openness are key factors. Developing these skills enhances personal and professional growth. Differentiate between active and passive listening. Listening is an essential part of communication. Active listening means fully concentrating on the speaker and understanding the message. It involves maintaining eye contact, nodding, asking relevant questions, and giving feedback. The listener shows interest and empathy. Active listening helps clarify doubts and prevents misunderstandings. Passive listening means hearing the words without proper attention or response. The listener may be distracted or uninterested. In passive listening, there is little or no feedback. Active listening strengthens relationships and builds trust. Passive listening often leads to confusion and communication breakdown. Effective communication depends on active listening skills. It requires patience, focus, and openness. Differentiate between different forms of speaking, formal and informal. Speaking is a vital communication skill used to express ideas and emotions. Formal speaking is used in official and professional contexts, such as meetings, presentations, interviews, and seminars. It follows proper grammar, vocabulary, and polite expressions. The tone is respectful and structured. Informal speaking occurs in casual situations among friends and family. It uses simple language, contractions, and sometimes slang. The tone is relaxed and friendly. Both forms are important in daily life. Choosing the correct style depends on the situation and audience. Using formal language in official contexts shows professionalism. Informal language builds closeness in personal relationships. Effective speakers adjust their language according to context. Explain the importance of group discussion. Group discussion is a method where individuals share ideas on a common topic. It helps improve communication and speaking skills. Participants learn to express their opinions confidently. Group discussions encourage teamwork and cooperation. They develop leadership and decision-making abilities. Listening to others' viewpoints enhances understanding. It promotes critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Group discussion is widely used in academic institutions and job interviews. It helps in personality development. Effective participation requires clarity, politeness, and active listening. Respect for others' opinions is important. Overall, group discussion enhances confidence and communication competence. Write a note on English in situations, greeting, and leave-taking. Greetings are used to start conversations politely. Common greetings include good morning, good afternoon, and hello. In informal situations, people may say hi or what's up. Leave-taking expressions are used to end conversations respectfully. Examples include goodbye, see you later, and take care. In formal contexts, phrases like "it was nice meeting you" are appropriate. Tone and body language should match the situation. Politeness and smile create a positive impression. Proper greeting and leave-taking maintain good relationships. They reflect good manners and cultural awareness. Explain the importance of group discussion. Group discussion is a method where individuals share ideas on a common topic. It helps improve communication and speaking skills. Participants learn to express their opinions confidently. Group discussions encourage teamwork and cooperation. They develop leadership and decision-making abilities. Listening to others' viewpoints enhances understanding. It promotes critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Group discussion is widely used in academic institutions and job interviews. It helps in personality development. Effective participation requires clarity, politeness, and active listening. Respect for others' opinions is important. Overall, group discussion enhances confidence and communication competence.